If you're looking to use Browse AI for sentiment analysis, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how you can leverage Browse AI to easily extract insights from online content, track how people feel about your brand or a specific topic, and do it all with minimal effort. Stick around and I'll show you how this tool works and why it's becoming a go-to for digital marketers like you. Browse AI is a powerful web scraping and automation tool that allows you to track sentiment across a wide range of online content. Whether you're looking at social media posts, reviews, blogs, or news articles, you can extract valuable data about how people feel, positive, negative, or neutral about a product, service, or topic. The best part? You can do all this without needing any coding skills. It's built for marketers who want results fast and efficiently. To start, you'll want to sign up for Browse AI using the link below. By using our exclusive link, you get access to the software completely free, plus some great bonuses that can help you get up to speed even faster. I'll walk you through setting up your first sentiment analysis project. So let's dive in. Once you're logged in, you'll find it simple to create a new project. Browse AI allows you to choose specific web pages or even entire websites to track, and the tool will then start collecting data from those sources. For sentiment analysis, you'll focus on gathering the text that mentions your brand, competitors, or topics of interest. Browse AI then automatically organizes and processes that text into a dataset that you can analyze. The sentiment analysis part is where it gets powerful. Browse AI uses advanced algorithms to identify sentiment in the text it collects. It looks for keywords and phrases that indicate positive, negative, or neutral sentiment, giving you a clear picture of how people feel about what you're tracking. This can be super valuable for businesses who want to keep an eye on their reputation or track customer feedback in real time. What's great about Browse AI is how customizable it is. You can set specific filters to focus on certain types of content, and you can even schedule it to scrape data on a regular basis. This means you don't have to check manually. Browse AI will do the heavy lifting and provide you with insights directly to your dashboard. Now, if you're thinking about how this can benefit your marketing strategy, the possibilities are endless. Sentiment analysis helps you understand your audience's emotions, which can influence how you approach campaigns. For example, if you notice a lot of negative sentiment around a particular aspect of your product or service, you can act fast to address those concerns before they escalate. Another powerful feature of Browse AI is its ability to track trends over time. Instead of just collecting data once, you can create ongoing projects that monitor sentiment in real time. This is ideal for keeping tabs on ongoing marketing campaigns or social media mentions to adjust your messaging as needed. So, whether you're a marketer looking to track how your brand is being discussed, a product manager wanting to stay on top of customer feedback, or even a business owner looking to protect your reputation, Browse AI for sentiment analysis is a tool that can give you actionable insights that drive better decisions. I mentioned earlier that by clicking the first link below, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of Browse AI. You won't have to worry about paying a cent to get started, and you'll also receive bonuses that can make your sentiment analysis project even more effective. This is a great opportunity to experiment with the software and see firsthand how it can save you time and boost your marketing efforts. In summary, Browse AI for sentiment analysis is a must-try tool for anyone serious about online monitoring and digital marketing. It's easy to use, customizable, and powerful, whether you're just starting or already an expert. So go ahead and click the link below and dive in with your exclusive free trial today.